How to fix Hero Siege crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you want to go back to General tab and add -DX11 to the launch options. Then you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your browser and search for Redist. Then open up the first link, and from this table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installers of your distributables. And once you finish this installation, you will need to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you'll also need to check if you have the latest driver updates installed for your graphic card. So if you have NVIDIA, you should use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software to update yours from drivers here. Check for the latest updates and make sure to download and install them. Next, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.